This is my introductory video. My name is Jolando de Gracia. I currently living in Kapatagan, Perlas, Quezon City, Cebu. My hobby in life is I like watching anime, uh, playing all kinds of sports, and also I like beautiful lady. Joke lang. So, sa pagkakaroon, I don't have interest about life because as you can see, I only enjoy it every minute, every second, every day. Although my life is boring, but I thank God because I woke up every morning just to spend the life that He gave me. So, thank you. So, to end my introductory video, I would like to thank Madam Bagyo for giving me high grades, although I didn't pass mostly of my projects. Thank you, Madam Bagyo. Peace and love.